You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that is so confusing. So many people get it absolutely wrong. A number that is not a fraction, a whole number. The British English pronunciation is as integer. Integer. Integer, stress on the first syllable. American English pronunciation, how it's said in the US, by the way. If you want to learn more names from mathematics like this, stay tuned, I've got more videos. Integer. Integer is how the Americans would say it. Integer. Integer. In American English, integer. British English, integer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.